The freshly made biomass pellets are still steaming from the production process. The motor and reducer are connected by a flexible coupling, which makes the machine operation more stable. Look at the shaping effect. Each one is uniform and plump, with no broken pieces or powder. It fell directly from the machine, still warm, into the bag. The whole process was clean and efficient. The location of the discharge port can be adjusted according to the user's site conditions. The feed cutter is adjustable, allowing control over the discharge length. The open top feeding tray saves customers time when changing molds. The mold is made of high-end wear-resistant stainless steel and uses advanced vacuum furnace quenching technology. Automated material handling and belt conveyor systems ensure a seamless process from raw materials to finished products, requiring minimal effort from you. Look at this whole bag. It's all freshly produced pellets, with a maximal molding rate. They're firm enough and have low moisture content, making them perfect for boilers and heating. Whether for residential heating or industrial boiler fuel, these pellets meet the needs. The entire production process is filmed live, providing a clear view of the output quality. The machine is solidly built and durable, and daily maintenance is simple and word-free. It is a reliable and trustworthy product. If you are interested in cooperating, you are welcome to come and test the machine on site.